Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to maintain iPhone battery health from decreasing. So guys, to maintain the health of your iPhone battery, you can follow these steps. So guys, first of all, keep your iPhone updated. Make sure to install the latest software updates on your iPhone, as they often include optimizations to improve battery life. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update, and wait for checking for update. So I have the latest version on my iPhone. So for this, go back, and then after this, the next solution is use the optimized battery charging feature. This feature, which is available on iOS 13 and later, helps reduce the amount of time your iPhone spends fully charged, which can help extend the overall lifespan of your battery. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on battery, tap on battery health and charging. So here is the optimized battery charging feature. So after this, the next solution is avoid extreme temperatures. Don't expose your iPhone to extreme temperatures, such as leaving it in a hot car or outside in freezing weather. High temperatures can reduce battery life, while low temperatures can temporarily cause the battery to drain faster. So after this, the next solution is avoid letting your battery drain completely. Try to keep your battery level between 20% and 80% to help prolong its lifespan. Avoid letting it drain completely or charging it to 100% too often, as both can cause wear on the battery. So after this, the next solution is use low power mode. When your battery level is low, enable the low power mode on your iPhone to help reduce power consumption and extend battery life. So enable low power mode on your iPhone. And then after this, the next solution is remove phone case while charging. Avoid charging your iPhone with a phone case on, as it can cause the phone to get warmer while charging. So remove the case and charge your iPhone. So guys, by following these steps, you can help maintain the health of your iPhone battery and prolong its lifespan. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.